Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. Today I am rounding up some of my favorite Christmas ornaments. These would be great for embellishments on gifts and things to do during this holiday season. Let's get crafting. For this DIY, grab 3 wooden beads. They can be any size that you want. You'll also need some yarn, string, or even ribbon or twine. Take that string and fold it in half and then thread your beads onto the string. Make sure that you secure it on both ends by tying some knots. Once that's done, grab some white paint and get it nice and coated. The next step is to grab some markers and draw on some eyes, a nose, and mouth. You could also add some buttons to the midsection and then figure out what you want to use for a scarf. You could use ribbon, fabric, but I will be using this sparkly red and white baker's twine. To finish off this snowman ornament, grab some of this brown greenery from Dollar Tree and cut off 2 little hands that you can put on your snowman. Take something sharp. I'm just using a weeding tool to poke a hole and get those hands attached. And then I'm using some black felt to create a little top hat. Once I get the top hat on there, I just took some little berries from a pick from Dollar Tree and added those to the hat, and then this ornament is finished. While we're talking about wooden beads, for this one you will need 7 wooden beads, and there are 4 different sizes of beads. Take some yarn, string, or twine and thread these through onto the twine and tie it off on the bottom, making sure to leave a little bit of a tail. From there, I just brushed it with a little bit of white paint. You could do any color paint here that you would like, and then pick up some wooden embellishments from Hobby Lobby. Even Walmart has cute mini ornaments, or Dollar Tree. Attach those to the bottom of your beaded ornament, and this would make a great ornament to put on a package and just give them that little extra bonus gift. Who loves gingerbread? Then this ornament is for you. Find yourself a gingerbread template. I will definitely link everything in today's video down below in the description box. Print it out on cardstock and cut it out. Then use that template to trace your little gingerbread man, boy, or girl onto some corrugated cardstock. I got mine from Michael's. Once it was nice and cut out, I took some rickrack that I got from Hobby Lobby and added it to the arms and the legs. The next step was to add a cute little bow tie. You could add a bow here if you wanted to using ribbon, but I'm using some sparkly felt to make an adorable bow tie. I grabbed a red mini button from this pack that I got from Hobby Lobby and put it in the center of the bow tie using these little black grommet things that I also got from Hobby Lobby for the eyes. And then I'm going to add some more of those buttons to the belly area. For the nose, I'm using a red pom-pom that I got in a huge pack from Amazon. And for the mouth, I am just drawing that on with a flare pen. Once that's done, I took some red and white baker's twine, made a little hanger, hot glued it to the back, and this was ready to go on my gingerbread themed tree. If you're into shabby chic decor, this is the perfect ornament for that. You want to start by taking either some ribbon or fabric and cutting it anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches thick. We'll be using the clear ornaments from Dollar Tree. You can grab the small ones, or you could even make a bigger one using one of the larger ornaments they have. You want to start by either fraying your ends. You could use pinking shears, whatever look you'd like to go for. To start, you want to take your ornament and secure at the very top with a little bit of hot glue. About half an inch of the fabric nice and secure. Take your fabric and you're going to fold it back kind of accordion style. Once you have that secured with some hot glue, then pull the fabric, tack it down, and then fold it back again, and you just continue this pattern all the way around. I ended up doing 3 layers of fabric, so I've got 3 rows of this fabric. To finish off the ornaments, the bottoms look like this. You want to have a nice clean finish on the bottom. And for that, all you're going to be doing is working with that last layer of fabric that you have on your ornament. I just pulled it and essentially just kind of folded it and made strips and then just secured it directly to the base of the ornament. You're actually not really going to see the bottom very much unless you put it at the top of your Christmas tree and you're looking up, but it's just nice to know that the bottoms are all finished. You can make a huge variety of these, again, using fabric or even ribbon, but definitely a lot of style choices for all the different types of themes. If you love Christmas music or playing the piano like I do, this would be a great ornament to give as an additional part of a gift to someone who loves music. So for this, I found 3 different free printables of Christmas sheet music and I sized them down. I traced around these wooden rounds that I got in a pack from Amazon and I cut my music to fit on the rounds. I used Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. I really do like using this sometimes over Mod Podge, and I attached my printables to the wood rounds. I used twine to use as the hangers for this, and to finish them off, I just added some of this sparkly, snowy branches from Dollar Tree around the edges, and then these were complete. Here's another great, easy snowman ornament. Grab some tower blocks from Dollar Tree and paint them white. Next, pick up some fabric or even ribbon and tie a little scarf around your snowman. Your last step is just to draw on a face. I'm just using some markers to get that accomplished. Add an eye hook to the top and some twine, and you've got yourself a cute snowman ornament. Speaking of snow, let's make a snowflake ornament using 8 clothespin. Start by breaking the clothespins apart and then gluing them with some hot glue back to back. You want to take 4 of the little groupings and attach them together kind of in the shape of a T, then work the other ones in again using some hot glue. Now to embellish the front of it, just grab some of the wooden snowflakes from Dollar Tree. You can stack them, you could add one, you could definitely go in and paint, add glitter if you wanted to. Lots of options to customize these, and then add yourself a hanger and this snowflake is ready to go. This ornament is probably my most favorite ornament I have made to date. So to start, I have some of these wooden spoons that I bought in a pack from Amazon, and I started by applying some little decals that I created on my Cricut to the handle of the spoon. From there, I took my rotary tool and just drilled a little hole into the end of the handle, and then it was time to decorate these spoons. I'm using brown hot glue to act as chocolate, and then a bunch of these faux polymer clay sprinkles to put on the hot glue. Once that was done, I just had to add some twine to it, and then this cute little ornament was all finished. Here's a simple Santa ornament that anyone could make. I started by using a template that I found online and grabbed 3 different colors of felt: red, white, and a skin tone color. I just followed the directions and cut out my template and then cut the pieces of felt to coordinate, and then I started piecing my little Santa together using hot glue. To finish off the ornament, I used a marker for the eyes and to give him some rosy cheeks, and then I also embellished with one of these little reindeer pieces that came from Hobby Lobby. I attached a little hanger to the back, and then this Santa was ready to be hung up. You can't have enough Santa, so here's one more variation of the felt Santa ornament. I grabbed red, white, and tan felt again and used a template to cut out the pieces. I pieced them together with a little bit of hot glue and used my marker for the eyes. From there, I just add a hanger to the back, and then here is another variation of that cute felt Santa ornament. time to make an angel ornament. Start by grabbing yourself an angel wing template, cutting it out, and tracing it on to some corrugated cardstock. Once you get that cut out, you want to grab some yarn and thread a wooden bead through the yarn. You're going to tie this around your wings, making sure that the head is secured at the top of the wings. From there, pick a color of yarn. It could be any color you want, and grab just several strands of it. I just wrapped around, and they were about 8 inches long. Once you get the bulk of what you want, go ahead and cut that, and then split it and pull it down over the head. From there, go ahead and cinch it in at the waist of the angel with just another piece of yarn. You can leave the loops at the end of the angel or cut them like I'm doing here. I also grabbed a little pearl circle that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, and I hot glued that to the top for the halo. I also attached a little gold star to the center of the angel where the waist is. From there, I had taken 3 pieces of twine and braided them together and then knotted it to make arms. I just threaded through the body of the angel and then secured it with a little bit of hot glue. To finish it off, I grabbed the little tag that I had and wrote a phrase from It's a Wonderful Life, added a bell to it, and attached that to my angel. Now she was ready to be hung up on the tree. This ornament would be great to give in a set of 3. You need tumbling tower blocks for this. Now you could go 2 routes. You could actually 3. You could paint them, you could stain them, or you could even put cute cardstock or even do fabric and just completely wrap them. I decided to go with the painting route, and I'll be using 3 of the tower blocks for each of these. You just want to glue those tower blocks together to make yourself a little square. From there, add some ribbon to embellish your gifts and add little bows. You could add little sprigs of greenery if you want to. And your final step is just to attach an eye hook and a little hanger, and you've got yourself a cute little present ornament. I hope you enjoyed today's roundup of these ornaments. Let me know down below which one of these was your favorite. Also, let me know, do you have a special ornament that you absolutely love putting on your tree each year? Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Here are some more videos you might enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!